Good morning, atypical nomads. As you can see, everyone there still is asleep. Still a little bit early. It's around 7:50, and I thought, instead of having my breakfast here, doing my usual stuff, I would climb up as early as I can because it's a very long way up. I need to go. Are you guys related? Those dogs looks like they're joining me on this hike. That's the town up there where I need to cycle up to. And that's probably not the end of it. There's probably more before Gjipe. There's still around 40 kilometers to go. Just passing by, dude. Don't worry about me. That's the zigzaggy road that I've just cycled yesterday. What? What did you say? Can't take people anywhere. Look at this rubbish. Why would they just leave it here? Morning, atypical nomads. Today is my first day at Gjipe beach, but as you can see, not quite the beach because the approach to the beach is very, very wobbly. I mean, the road surface it's not even a road; it's just a dirt patch, which is very uneven. So I couldn't with my bicycle and the trailer here. The owner of the car park kindly allowed me to stay up here for 200 lek per night, which isn't too bad. It's about €2 to free camp. I can use their toilets, bathroom, and also I can recharge my batteries over there. So it's okay. Anyway, quick points about my approach in this whole area. It's actually very beautiful. Yesterday was quite a nightmare to cycle because there's a lot of up and down, especially the final kind of hill or mountain that I had to approach. It was horrible. It was like 10 degrees of gradient. When I was approaching this valley, if I may, it was just absolutely gorgeous. It's a shame that I couldn't film it because, as always, I always run out of battery. So today I will be climbing, finally. And so yeah, I'm just gonna pack my things up and go to the beach and find Lyndon, someone that I was talking to in Facebook. People, eh? What the fuck are they doing? There's already a bin. Why don't I just put it in the bin? People are lazy. There's no way my bicycle is gonna get through this. This is beautiful. I was just trekking alongside this cliff and you're just greeted by this beautiful ocean. And the weather's perfect as well. It's just a little bit windy but not cold. And the sun's just about to sort of pop out of these clouds. Temperature wise, it's perfect. It's perfect for a hike. Just about to arrive at Gjipe beach. It looks like a paradise.
No, that's leather. I just glued it on.
Okay, and then what was this from?
This?
Yeah.
Also just like a leather piece.
Does this mean it's filming?
Yeah, it's filming at the moment.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
I think you probably pressed it early at the beginning I do that a lot as well when I'm cycling. Sometimes I thought it was filming, but actually it was, oh. This is why the bins keep falling down. Because of these boars or wild pigs. Hello! What's up? What are you up to? This pig might go into my tent. They keep going to my tent. I think they're smelling something. So guys, this is my last day here at Gjipe beach. Again, not quite by the beach. So I've spent a full 2 days here, and this is my third day in the morning, which I will be setting out. So in that 2 days I managed to do some climbing with Just from Germany. Pretty good sessions. This guy keeps coming back. This pig just roams around the area searching for food. Every morning they'll come here and search for food because they know there are campers here every day, pretty much every day. Someone would camp here and then probably they'll leave food or traces of food. That's what they're searching for. Look at this guy. Fearless. Anyways, next stop, Vlore. To get to Vlore, I'm not even really excited for it because there's 1,000 meters in altitude of uphill coming up. That's just ridiculous. I mean, it's fine if the gradient's kind of between 4 and 5 degrees, which is very light. I can do that. But if it gets to more than 5, up to 10 sometimes, then it becomes so tricky. Look at this guy. Why are you up there? Why are you coming back here, bro? Ah, you keep smelling the water that I keep pouring there. Sometimes I would cook something and then some residue water, and I would pour it there and it smells. This guy. So yeah, I had a great time here. There's a beach. I managed to kind of dip in a little bit and... Come on! Don't. This guy. I'm vlogging, guys. I'm vlogging. Why are you guys doing it? Yeah, I really like the area. In terms of climbing, I think there is a potential, great potential. Obviously, not a lot of climbers. It's not really properly well maintained. So for climbers who comes there, you know, maybe if there's anything you can do to improve it a little bit, clean up the routes a little bit, you know, I think that would be really, really helpful. But it's okay, it's doable. We managed to climb a few routes. Yeah, like I said, there's a great potential. If more climbers comes here, I think it could be improved. But it's pretty cool too, like being able to climb just me and Just. It's just I've never been in a climbing spot where you're literally just on your own.
Really feel like a monkey without you.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool, and you know, there's some restaurants also by the beach. There's a eco campground where if you don't have any tents, they have a lot of tents down there, and I think at the moment they charge 400 lira per day or per night, and I think that's pretty good value for money, you know, given that's everything I've been carried down either by foot or by their 4x4. So there's a lot of effort in getting them set up. Did I say lira? No, it's lek, actually, Albanian lek. So 400 leks, about 4 euros roughly. So that's a pretty good deal, I think, still. And there's a lot of hikes you can do. So from this, for example, from the car park, you can hike down and then into the canyon and then back here, or back to the beach and then up here. And also there's another option where when you get to the beach, there's also this path that goes up and leads you into another beach on the other side, which you can only access by foot through that path. I think by the looks of it in the map, I think it seems like there's 2 or 3 other beaches where you can get to through that pathway.
Yeah.
So
then I put my right foot up and the left heel on where your left hand is now. Yes. Yeah. And this heel, and then you have a jug the blocky thing. Yes, nice. Alright. Now there's not really any holes going right, so I go left. There's some undercurrent. Nice. Yeah, you don't need it. Nice work. Come on. Nice. Nice. Might use your beta there. Come on, man. Just keep going.
Yo.
Come on. Come on, come on. You're very safe. Come on.